In this video, we will discuss two questions. First one is, name the ketone bodies, mention two conditions where there is excess formation of ketone bodies. Acetoacetate is the primary ketone body and secondary ketone bodies are beta hydroxybutyrate and acetone. Ketone bodies, they are formed in the mitochondria of liver. Second part of the question is, mention two conditions where there is excess production of ketone bodies. So, the two conditions are diabetes mellitus and starvation. Untreated diabetes mellitus, it is the most common cause for ketosis. The deficiency of insulin, it will cause accelerated lipolysis. So, more fatty acids are released into circulation. Oxidation of these fatty acids, that will increase the acetyl-CoA pool of the body. Oxidation of acetyl-CoA by TCA cycle is reduced because the availability of oxaloacetate is less. Second condition is starvation. In starvation, the dietary supply of glucose is decreased and the available oxaloacetate, it will be used for gluconeogenesis, and there will be increased rate of lipolysis to provide alternate source of fuel. So, the excess acetyl-CoA which is formed will be converted to ketone bodies, and the high glucagon favors ketogenesis. So, during starvation and diabetes mellitus, the blood level of glucagon will be increased. Glucagon, it will inhibit glycolysis, activate gluconeogenesis, activate lipolysis, decrease malonyl coenzyme A level, and it will stimulate ketogenesis. So, high glucagon insulin ratio, that will favor ketogenesis. Whereas insulin has the opposite effect. It will favor glycolysis, it will inhibit gluconeogenesis, it will depress lipolysis and increases the malonyl coenzyme A level, and it will decrease ketogenesis. So, in starvation and diabetes mellitus, increased glucagon level and decreased insulin levels. So, lipolysis, it will be activated. So, there will be more amount of non-esterified fatty acids in plasma, and there will be increased activity of carnitine acyltransferase enzyme, and the availability of malonyl coenzyme A will be decreased, and there is increased beta oxidation. Increased beta oxidation will produce more amount of acetyl-CoA, and oxaloacetate is decreased, and this acetyl-CoA, it cannot be completely oxidized through TCA cycle. So, this increased generation of acetyl-CoA and decreased utilization will lead to ketogenesis, that is, there will be production of more amount of ketone bodies. Second question is functions of cholesterol. So, cholesterol, it is a component of membrane and it has a modulating effect on the fluid state of the membrane. Then it is required to insulate nerve fibers, that is, it has got a role in nerve conduction. Then bile acid and bile salt, they are derived from cholesterol, and this bile salt, they are important for fat absorption. Here you can explain the formation of bile acids and bile salt. Then steroid hormones like glucocorticoids, androgens and estrogen, they are formed from cholesterol. So, here you explain the formation of glucocorticoids, androgens and estrogen. So, cholesterol, it acts as a precursor for the formation of glucocorticoid, androgen and estrogen. That is, cholesterol, it is converted to pregnenolone, and this pregnenolone is converted to glucocorticoids, androgen and estrogen. Then vitamin D3, it is formed from 7-dehydrocholesterol. You can explain the formation of vitamin D3 from 7-dehydrocholesterol. Then hydroxyl group of cholesterol, it is esterified to fatty acid to form cholesterol esters, and this esterification, it occurs in the body by transfer of a puffer moiety by lecithin cholesterol acyltransferase.